Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fit an anti-rubbing device to your open mesh floor. This is how your rubbing device will come. It's got two sticker instructions on the corner, and it's also got the all-important bag of 2 brackets and 4 screws to hold the brackets in place. So the first thing I'm going to do is to very simply lay those there. So obviously you can see there is a slight kink in the metal. That kink is to hold the anti-rubbing device in place. So I'm just going to literally take the lip over that, place it there. Basic rule of thumb is that you position it flush to the top of the joist for the floor. So what I tend to do is to position it and then mark it up. I've put it flush to the top edge, and it's about 1.5 mm to 2 mm in from the outside edge. I'm just going to mark a couple of holes there, mark a couple of holes here. Obviously as well, this gives you a chance to size up how much movement it's going to have, because there will need to be a little bit of movement to slide it in and out. And very simple with the lip obviously facing outside. Get the screws, one of them, just push it in. I tend to just tap it with a hammer. I don't do this for any other reason, it just makes sure it's definitely in, and that when I go to screw it in properly it's not going to flail around everywhere. I'm going to do the same with the top one. Just give it a very gentle tap, doesn't need to be a hard tap at all. And then you're ready to start screwing these in place. So that's one done, and it's very simple really. All you do then is do the exact same thing on the opposite joist. It's a very simple way of doing this, because the top of the bracket that also creates the groove, with the anti-rubbing device being bent at a 45-degree angle at the top to support the tubes, it naturally hangs there. It's a very clever invention. Just got to tighten that one up. So once you've done that, so all you have to do now is insert your anti-rubbing device, and there you have your anti-rubbing device by Thorne.